Every year, millions of cars reach the scrapyard.
Cranes carefully move each vehicle into position. Scrap cars arrive from all over the city. Everything is organized for efficient processing.
Welcome to Inside the Process, where old cars get a new life.
We start by taking off rubber and glass components.
Seats and electronics are removed carefully. Each material goes its own way for recycling.
Only steel will move to the next stage.
This metal is the heart of the railway rails.
Next, the steel is shredded into manageable pieces.
The shredder breaks down every car body. Shredded steel moves along the conveyor. Magnets separate clean steel from scrap. Only pure steel remains for melting. The steel is now ready to be melted.
Extreme heat transforms solid steel into molten metal.
Every degree is controlled with precision. Steel takes shape in these molds. Steel takes shape in these molds. The billets are hot and ready for rolling. They are reheated to optimal temperature for shaping. Even heat distribution ensures uniformity.
This is where steel becomes ready for rail production.
Each pass carefully shapes the steel. Rails glide forward to the cooling stage. Straightening makes rails perfectly aligned.
Each rail is cut to strict specifications.
Nothing is left unchecked.
I need to know.
Rails are organized for shipment.
Automation speeds up the delivery process. Old cars transformed into railway rails, powering the world.